Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring your watch and phone are updated and the watch battery is at least 50%. This prevents interruptions. Next, open Settings and navigate to Security or Lock screen to enable a passcode or pattern. Choose a PIN or pattern you can remember but others cannot guess, and set Automatic Lock Timeout to 30 seconds or 1 minute. Once done, confirm the passcode works by locking the screen and unlocking it again to verify reliability and responsiveness. Once the basic lock is active, strengthen it. Enable biometric unlock only if the sensor is reliable and in a private setting because false accepts can happen. Make sure proximity unlock with your paired phone is limited to trusted locations and require the phone or passcode after a reboot for full security. Enable device encryption and restrict notification content on the lock screen so sensitive data isn't exposed. This reduces physical and local attack vectors while keeping daily convenience intact. Finish by testing the entire flow. Restart the watch, update firmware, then lock and unlock to confirm settings persist. Backup settings through the companion app and note your passcode in a secure, offline place. Make sure emergency contact and medical info are accessible from the lock screen if supported. If you get locked out, try recovery via the paired phone first. If that fails, a factory reset is the last resort. Remember, this erases data, so backups matter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.